CM Panchal, exercise number 56. Some students seem quite content to attain only a fraction of the knowledge of the theory necessary in order that they may become reasonably proficient writers of Pitman shorthand. Why do so many bog down hopelessly in the 50 or 60 words a minute groups? Why do they find insuperable difficulty in driving their speeds up to 100 words a minute or beyond? Para, there is quite a simple answer. What do you think? Is it because their hands are incapable of covering the line of writing with outlines at this rate? We don't think so. The ability to write shorthand quickly is due to the very simple fact that the brain is the master of and dictate to the hand. Alas, in far too many cases, the mind is not subject to this control, but meanders along stumblingly without much conscious mental direction, so manual anxiety must wear upon mental insufficiency. Para, young children are persuaded to write simple sentences before attempting and essaying, with their knowledge and command of word is so limited that a lengthy piece of connected English is quite beyond their powers, but in time their present limited vocabulary is widened. As they pass into the higher forms, their powers of perception and comprehension are increased. They acquire a fuller grasp of the rules governing parsing, syntax, etc., and the skilled observer remarks the acquisition of greater potentialities. Words. We can hear you, but tell us what all this has to do with writing shorthand. The shorthand student is in position of the young child before he or she writes legible and accurate shorthand at any speed at all. Concentrated attention must be directed to certain fundamentals in the learning of the art. First, it is absolutely vital to have a thorough knowledge of the theory of the system. Over.